Hello and welcome to Temple's tutorial number 7. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to upload or move a Google document into your personal student folder. Let's also take note that in our previous sessions, we've already marked our personal student folders with a star. You can do this by right-clicking or soft touching with 2 fingers on your trackpad and finding the place where it says Add to Starred. Being that mine's already a starred folder, I can remove it or just leave it. Let's leave it for now. So the average person will probably go over to a new tab, over to what we call the waffle. Click on the waffle and open a new Google Doc. This is one technique, though I wouldn't suggest doing this. There's a workaround and we could find a better technique. Please go ahead and view my previous video, Temple's tutorial number 6, to learn all about that. In this video, we're going to make a document. Let's say we're making one for math class. And particularly, I want my students to make sure they title each of their documents. And so let's say that this one is for math, and let's say it's for Canvas Module 6. So please make sure you title this one, Math Homework. Module number, let's see, number 6. There she is. I'd like you to grab this and also place it way up high in the title. So when I see it in your Google Drive, I'll know exactly what it is. Now you'd like to move this, wouldn't you, into your personal drive, because right now it's really not in there yet. Let's identify and see what's the location. Up by the title of this homework, you can see that there's a star. We can make it a favorite, which we've already done with your Google folder. We could also move this, or we could see the status. Let's go ahead and move this. Let's move this document. It's currently sitting in Google Drive. We want to go back one step. So go ahead and click on the left arrow and scroll down until you find starred, because that is where we put your best folder. You could double click, or I like to hit this right arrow. Let's find your name. There it is. Click on your name, and when we move it there, we'll see that your homework assignment is now in your personal student folder. Let's double check. So let's go back to Google Drive and go down to the starred folders or starred items, and we can go ahead and go right into this one. Double click on your student name, and it should be up. There it is, Math Homework Module 6. Well, I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching the video.